Guys, cutics time cause my cutics are so gone cause I peeled them. And I actually don't know that was fake. And that's okay cause I'm a kid. Get out, Pink. You are not my team. Let's do this. Blue first and these sides. Guys, this nail polish reminds me of candy. Kanino yan parang heart na yan? Gutom ako? I miss my daddy, I miss my daddy, I miss my daddy. Let's watch TV and I miss daddy because the trailer reminds me of daddy. He is at work and I already miss him. Guys, nag-Christmas party kami. Merong ketchup pero walang fries. And the Santa Spirit. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko, Underworld. I miss my daddy so much. Guys, I'm going to show you something. What is this song? That's It's letter N and the dulo, pinakadulo ay K. Don't dirty mine. In December 21, pupunta kami sa stepmother home and I am so excited. In Sunday, mango pie, my favorite. And no lettuce, no potato. I miss Daddy so much. Guys, lemon, kaasim nyo. When thirsty, I look like this. Refreshing. Guys, I am so thirsty. I forgot to bring a water in my Christmas party. I miss my daddy. I miss my daddy. I miss my daddy.